let's go to France and take a little French lesson de couleur. Color theory. Now, I'm gonna take you on a hair color journey. It's all about color. It's gonna be rough, it's gonna be tumble. Buckle in. I'm gonna take you on a ride. Stay with me, I got you. So color theory is all about tone. And tone is the hue or the balance of color. And we can pretty much describe it in three ways: warm, cool, or neutral. Warm tones you might see are a little more described as brassy, golden, red, yellow. Cool tones might be a little smokier, ashy, right? And neutral tones have a perfect little harmony and balance of both warm and cool to create that neutral zone. Before you color your hair, before I color hair, before and when I am mixing and formulating color, I personally always have my color wheel ready. When it comes to the color wheel itself, and this is what I always reference, and I always go back to my consultation, what do I want to be with my hair color today? Do I want to create that warmth? Then I'm gonna stay on the warm side of the color wheel if my natural pigment is warm. If I want to go opposite and I want a cooler tone and my natural tone or level has that warmth underneath, I'm going to find colors at Sally Beauty that are cool, that are the blue bases, the green bases, so that I can cancel out my natural underlying pigment. I am always referencing that color wheel. I'm a total visual person, and so if I say like, okay, here's where I am, here's where I want to be, what color is lying under there right now, I know at least that I'm turning right and not going left here. So that underlying contributing pigment that I was just talking about, this is often referred to as the undertone. Okay, so this sits under the natural hair color and must be taken into consideration when you are selecting a hair color. You have to know your undertone. It's almost like when you go to the makeup counter and they're like, are you cool? Do you have pinky undertones? Do you have yellow undertones? Or do you have cool undertones? It's really important to know this stuff because it helps when you formulate. So I know you might be looking at me on your screen right now thinking, yo, Gregory, too much art for me, not into it. Can I still get hair color at home? Yes, you can, okay? I'm just sharing all of this information with you because you're at DIY University by Sally Beauty. I'm giving all the tea to you today so that you have a basic understanding of all the crazy cool science that goes into you being a color chameleon, okay? So, if you're afraid to color mix, don't worry. The good news is our incredible color manufacturers have done all that work for you. I just need you to have a little bit of an understanding so you know which pathway to take and what aisle to go down when you come into the store. To get in on all the good, make sure you tap here, maybe like here, or subscribe over here. Don't ever miss out.